let's say it is for the new money. And let's get started. Hi guys, it's Megan, Johan, and my brother Jacob. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Yon Wonders. Thanks guys for watching and subscribing my channel. Please stay connected and stay safe. Today, we will do another fun science experiment. It is called Saving Cream Brain Experiment. And let's get started. Here are the things that you will need. You will need jar with water, food coloring, and shaving cream. Are you ready? Then let's get started. First, we will put shaving cream. Now we will put food coloring. The shaving cream represents the clouds and the water represents the air. The colored water represents rain. When the cloud gets too heavy, the drops fall through as rain. When water droplets go heavy in the sky, gravity pulls them down from the clouds as rain. It rains down into the jar through the air. It is just like real rain falls through the air. Guys, hope you like our experiment today. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can make more of my exciting, amazing videos. See you in our next experiment. Bye bye. I'm telling you. I will show you how to make. Are you ready? Yeah, that's it.
Thank you for watching.